Imagine starting each day with purpose, clarity, and a profound sense of accomplishment even before breakfast. Welcome to our guide on transforming your life with morning routines, inspired by the phenomenal book The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. These aren't just any routines. They are proven practices that have revolutionized the lives of millions, including mine. The Miracle Morning introduces a simple yet profound idea. How you start your day dramatically affects your success in every single area of your life. Today, we will explore this concept, breaking down each element of a morning routine that promises to set you up for unparalleled daily success. These practices are timeless and universally recommended for anyone looking to enhance their personal growth and well-being. If you haven't yet, I highly recommend picking up a copy of The Miracle Morning. It's a resource packed with inspiration and practical advice that can change the way you look at your mornings and potentially your life. Ready to reshape your day? Let's dive into these transformative habits and learn how to make every morning a stepping stone to your personal success. Starting your day with purpose and focus isn't just about waking up early. It's about waking up right. Morning routines are more than a schedule. They are a springboard for daily success. Let's explore the incredible benefits of these routines and how they can give you a competitive edge. First, let's talk about focus. A structured morning routine sets the tone for the day. It carves out time for you to focus on what truly matters before the world pours in its demands. This can mean meditating to clear your mind, planning your day to align your tasks with your goals, or simply having a quiet coffee while reading something inspirational. And it's not just about mental and emotional preparation. It's about gaining an edge. Many of the world's most successful people attribute a significant part of their success to their morning routines. Apple CEO Tim Cook starts his day at 3:45 a.m. to manage his busy schedule, while Oprah Winfrey begins with meditation to get centered for the challenges ahead. These habits help them maintain high levels of productivity and well-being. By starting your day intentionally, you control the agenda rather than letting the day control you. This proactive approach reduces stress, boosts your energy levels, and enhances your overall performance. Whether it's exercise to energize your body, reading to inspire your mind, or planning to prioritize your goals, a purpose-driven morning can dramatically transform your entire day and, over time, your entire life. Let's break down the savers habits that make up the foundation of the Miracle Morning. Each of these practices plays a critical role in transforming your morning and, as a result, your entire life. SAVER stand for Silence, Affirmations, Visualization, Exercise, Reading, and Scribing. Together, they create a morning routine that fosters exceptional personal growth and well-being. Silence or meditation helps to reduce stress, enhance clarity, and increase your awareness. Starting the day with even a few minutes of silence can calm the mind and prepare you for the challenges ahead. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you overcome self-doubt and reinforce your commitment to your personal goals. They set a positive tone for your mindset, empowering you to face the day with confidence. Visualization involves picturing your ideal day or achieving your long-term goals. This practice enhances motivation and sets a mental path for success, aligning your subconscious with your objectives. Exercise in the morning boosts your energy levels, clears your mind, and releases endorphins. It's a powerful way to set a dynamic tone for the day and enhance your physical and mental health. Reading in the morning, even if it's only a page or two, can provide new ideas, inspiration, and continual learning. This habit feeds your brain with knowledge and stimulates creative thinking. Scribing or journaling allows you to document insights, ideas, and successes. It's a reflective practice that promotes gratitude and ensures you are aligned with your deepest values and goals. Integrating these savers habits into your morning routine isn't just about doing, it's about becoming. Each day, you are building the person you wish to be. Now, let's dive deeper into each habit and learn how to effectively incorporate them into your mornings. Silence through meditation and mindfulness is a powerful tool for starting your day with clarity and peace. The benefits include reduced stress, improved concentration, and enhanced emotional health. To incorporate silence into your morning, dedicate a quiet spot in your home for meditation. Begin with just 5 minutes each morning, focusing on your breath and allowing your thoughts to pass without judgment. This practice grounds you and sets a calm, controlled tone for the day ahead. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your ability to empower yourself and manifest your goals. They shape your mindset and focus your intention for the day. Start by choosing 2 to 3 affirmations that resonate with your personal aspirations. Repeat them aloud every morning and perhaps write them down in a visible place to remind you of your strengths and goals throughout the day. Visualization involves mentally picturing your desired success or the steps you will take to achieve your goals. It's a potent method used by athletes, entrepreneurs, and performers around the world. Each morning, spend a few minutes visualizing yourself completing tasks successfully or achieving long-term goals. This process increases motivation and prepares you mentally to face the challenges that lie ahead. Morning exercise can transform your day by enhancing your energy and overall health. Physical activity improves brain function, sharpens memory, and helps you start the day with a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's a full workout, a brisk walk, or a series of stretches, find an activity that you enjoy and can commit to each morning. It's about moving your body even for just 10 minutes to wake up both your mind and body. Incorporating reading into your morning routine fuels your mind with knowledge and inspiration. Choose materials that motivate you or relate to your goals, whether they are books, articles, or motivational podcasts. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of reading each morning can provide new ideas and perspectives that foster personal and professional growth. Journaling each morning, a practice we call scribing, offers you a chance to clarify your thoughts and intentions. It's about reflecting on what you are grateful for, recording your achievements, and setting daily goals. This habit enhances your self-discipline and serves as a tool for self-reflection, helping you stay accountable and aligned with your long-term vision. Integrating these savers habits into your morning routine sets a foundation for a productive, fulfilling day. By dedicating time to develop each of these areas, you create a morning ritual that fuels your personal growth and pushes you closer to your aspirations. Start small, choose one habit to focus on, and gradually build your ultimate morning routine. Adopting a new morning routine can seem daunting, but the key is to start small and build gradually. Let's explore some practical tips on how to seamlessly incorporate the savers habits into your daily life. Choose just one habit to start with, rather than attempting to implement all 6 at once. For example, if the idea of starting the day with a quiet moment appeals to you, begin with silence. Dedicate just 5 minutes each morning to this practice. Be realistic about what you can achieve. If you are not a morning person, don't commit to an hour of activity right away. Perhaps start with 10 minutes of reading or a brief journaling session. As it becomes a part of your routine, gradually extend the time or add another habit. Use triggers to remind you of your new habit. Place your journal on your breakfast table to remember to scribe, or set out your workout clothes the night before to encourage morning exercise. Be patient with yourself as you adjust to your new routine. Some days might not go as planned, and that's okay. The key is consistency, not perfection. Adjust your schedule as needed, but keep the commitment to yourself. Once your first habits feel like a natural part of your morning, add another. For instance, if you've mastered silence, introduce affirmations next. This gradual stacking will help you build a comprehensive and sustainable morning routine. Transforming your morning doesn't happen overnight. It's about making small, consistent changes that compound over time into significant results. By taking it one step at a time, you can turn a daunting change into an enjoyable and life-enhancing routine. Remember, the goal is to create a morning that energizes and prepares you for the day ahead, setting a positive tone that resonates through every aspect of your life. Establishing a morning routine can be transformative, but it's not without its challenges. Many of us struggle with time management, consistency, and motivation. Let's dive into these common issues and explore practical solutions to help you build a morning routine that sticks. Number 1. Time management. Finding time for a morning routine is a common struggle, especially if your mornings already feel rushed. Solutions: plan ahead, prepare as much as you can the night before, lay out clothes, prepare breakfast items, and have your exercise gear ready to go. Wake up earlier. Consider waking up just 15 minutes earlier to start. It's small enough to be feasible and gives you a quiet window to introduce one saver's habit. Number 2. Consistency. Maintaining consistency can be challenging, especially when life gets busy or our initial motivation fades. Solutions: habit tracking apps. Use apps like Habitica or Strex to track your progress and stay motivated. Accountability partners. Partner with a friend or family member. You can check in with each other and provide moral support to keep each other on track. Number 3. Motivation. Keeping the motivation to continue your routine can wane, especially after the novelty wears off. Solutions: set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your morning routine, whether it's more productivity, enhanced well-being, or better stress management. Having clear goals can keep you focused. Reward yourself. Celebrate small victories. If you've stuck to your routine for a week, treat yourself to something enjoyable like a movie night or a favorite meal. With these strategies, you can tackle the typical challenge that come with establishing a morning routine. Remember, the key to success is starting small, being patient with yourself, and making adjustments as needed. Over time, these morning habits will become a natural part of your day, paving the way for lasting personal growth and success. Embrace the power of morning routines to transform your day and life. By integrating simple habits from the Miracle Morning, you can start each day with purpose and positivity. Small changes lead to significant benefits, so I encourage you to take the first step today. If you are looking to deepen your understanding, I highly recommend reading The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. It's a fantastic resource that can help you harness the full potential of your mornings. What does your morning routine look like, and what are you planning to change? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Like and share this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into personal development. Check out our playlists, Be Your True Powerful Self and Mindfulness Tools for more strategies to enhance your daily life. Links are in the description and the pop-up at the top right of this video. Thank you for joining us. Every morning is a new beginning. Make it count. Much love.